But we're not done yet. We have to finish the face, do the highlights and the bronzer and the contour. Some people don't like to do the cream contour, they just prefer to do the powder contour. You can do that. Whatever makes you happy, it's all your choice. Just gonna buff out this excess white powder you see here. You can return your skin tone back with your other powder, your pressed powder, to give your face some warmth and add some bronzer if you like. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. Okay. Look at that. I'm blushing. I like to highlight my face with a lighter shade of powder. Some can use a contour palette, but I have my powder palette here. It has all shades. So I like to use a lighter shade of powder in my inner corner of the eyes. Oh, just to revive that highlight there. I'm looking creepy, but it's okay. It's one of those things. So for the contour, I like to use a darker shade to go this way, right here, to snatch that nose, The nose needs to be snatched. To be honest, I've never done this before. I've never done this before on myself, so it kind of feels strange. Maybe I will practice more makeup on myself, but this whole thing, I've never done it before. That's just the truth. This is my first time. On others, yes, but on myself, nah. Okay. How is my nose? Is it snatching now? Uh, Tell me in the comment section if the nose is snatching. Okay. It's not snatching yet. Please, it's snatching, jaw. Over to the contour. Okay. Just a darker shade under here. I don't know why people do this. It's kind of. I don't know why they do that. Hmm. Whatever they do that for. Maybe to get the cheek one. I don't even know how to do it. This way, upward. I think that's it. Ah! I'm looking so different, but it's okay. I'm doing a female makeup on my face, so it's okay to look different. Okay. I'm just laughing at myself. Sorry. I'm not laughing at you guys. I'm laughing at myself. Okay, so there you go. Time to put my blush, the rouge. So let me give you a cheat code. If you don't have highlighter, you can actually use eyeshadow. Let me show you how you do it. Just take a lighter shade. You put it here. It does the work. Can't you see? Oh my god, look at my nose is glittering. Okay, there. That's the highlighter on my nose. I use the eyeshadow. Don't tell anybody I said that. Okay, follow for more. See you in the next one.